How to use two WhatsApp account in one phone? In order to use two WhatsApp account in one phone, just you have to open WhatsApp application on your one phone and make sure to log into your existing account. Once you have done that, tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Here select settings, and on this profile at the top you can see arrow. Tap on it, and here you can see the option of add account at the bottom of the screen. You can simply follow all the steps and sign in to your another account. Once you have signed in to your another account, just you have to come back, and once you have been signed in, you can simply use that account on your phone. If you want to again switch to the original account or to another account, you can tap on three dots again, and on this drop down menu box, when you have multiple accounts, you can easily find the option of switch account. So you can tap on switch to another account or switch accounts, then you can switch to the account that you want to use. So that's how we can easily use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.